hope you clicked on this video today because you're looking for a really pretty gold eye makeup look that you could follow along to that was kind of like super simple but looked complex. Well, if that's the case and you're in the right place, then I'm going to invite you to stick around because in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to create this makeup look with the Jaclyn Hill, is that upside down? No, it's not, Armed and Gorgeous palette. So stay tuned, it's coming your way right now. Well, hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here for a bit, if you are new, I am super glad that you are here today. My name is Lauren, and my channel is all about making beauty easy for the girl who thinks that she can't. My hope today is that you will consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that you can get alerts every single time I upload new videos, which is every single Friday. I'm also gonna ask that if you are super excited to learn how to do this gold eye makeup look with the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette, that's the back of it. There we go, that you would smash that thumbs up button because it really helps me out so much. With that said, let's actually chat about this video. So this is the fourth makeup look from the Instagram, Facebook photos that you guys voted on a couple of, well, almost probably a little over a month ago. I'm not even sure the time frame now. From the time I film this to the time it releases, there might be a little bit of a time gap. But basically, this was the last and final installment of those makeup looks that you guys voted on to see. So I'm so excited to present this video with you today, or present this video to you today, and show you how to do the eye makeup that I have on. So let's go ahead and roll into that footage of me putting this face on. And remember, I'll show you the whole face. Obviously, you're gonna see that. And all the products that I did use on my face are down in the description box because I'm a ding dong and totally forgot to show them. But we are just gonna focus on the eyes in the actual video, so you won't be seeing me put my face makeup on, and that way it saves you some time so you can get back to doing what you were doing before you hit play on this video. Let's go ahead and roll into that footage, and I'll see you guys at the end.
All right, so we're taking color 1 and we're grabbing a giant fluffy crease brush, and we are gonna go ahead and windshield wiper that color all over our transition spot on our eye. And just like I say in every video that I do for you guys, it's makeup, I go a little higher than most people with transition because I have hooded eyes. So we're gonna do the same thing with color 2. We're just gonna pop that color right on top, and it's gonna start to give you a nice little bit of a gradient effect, which is exactly what you want for this look. I think I use the same brush for this. I don't think I changed brushes quite yet. At least it doesn't look like it from this angle. All right, so now we're gonna take an all over the lid shader brush, and we are going to place color 3 on our actual lid, just like tapping that color on. And I think you guys will see here in just a second, I actually end up switching brushes because I've said this before, I love the Jaclyn Hill brushes, but that particular brush is just a little bit too big for my lid. So I tend to go back to this small shader brush that I have. Oh, yep, A&W, you know it, girl. Now we're gonna go in with another crease brush, and we are going to put a dark color on our outer third. And I've said this before in a lot of my videos, but there's one particular brush in that Jaclyn Hill palette, the JH33, and I absolutely love it because it's really flat and it allows me to get that cat eye shape for my hooded eyes. So that's definitely one I recommend even if you don't buy the whole set. Now we're gonna go in with color 5, and this is like, whoa girl, I get excited as you can see. And this is our bright gold color that's gonna go on the lid, and you're just gonna place that right on top of the first gold color that we placed before. And this is obviously just gonna jazz up this look a little bit. And hey girl, my makeup is done. And now what you'll do is take color 1, and you're just going to very nice and smoothly smudge color 1. And then as soon as you get done with color 1, you're gonna smudge color 2 on top of it. And this just darkens up that lower lash line a little bit and just makes your eyes get a little bit more of that wow factor. Lastly, we're gonna start putting on our eyeliner, and I did a winged liner for you guys. Y'all know I've been really into the wing liner lately, so that is the part that I am doing now. All right, so now we're gonna take a highlighting inner corner brush, and y'all know this, but the pop to any eye look is to highlight that inner corner, girl. If you have not been doing that, you need to start. I promise it'll change your life. And then of course, highlight that brow bone. This is probably my favorite part of any eye makeup look because I feel like it just brings everything together. And then I'm using my broken eyelash curler that I love so much to curl my lashes, and remembering now that I need to set my face before I put mascara on. And we're just gonna throw some mascara on those lashes. You can can always spice this up with like a false lash if you want to, but y'all know it's not my thing. So I'm just using my favorite L'Oreal mascara. I have a video on that I can throw for you in the eye if you want to see it or why I love it. And that's going to be a wrap on the tutorial here.
Back. I hope that tutorial helped you out so much and that you really feel like you know how to put this eye makeup look together. If you feel like you don't, then please feel free to ask questions down in the comments. I'm always loving to help you guys out whenever you do have questions, so please hit me up down there, girl, okay? Secondly, I want to say this, that I do have a question for you down in the comments to answer, and that is, what are your favorite warm tones to use in your eyes? Is it greens, golds, oranges, browns? What is it, and why do you like to use those colors for your eyes? For me, I think it's gold. I'm not really sure why I like them. Maybe it's the sparkliness. Maybe I just feel like I have a little pizzazz on my eyes. I just like that gold. So this was a really fun look for me, and I definitely have been enjoying wearing it for the full season. So I think that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, and obviously this whole makeup situation that we've had going on for the last few videos that you guys have voted on and seeing them. So I wanna thank you guys very much for joining me, and of course, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do that now so that you don't miss any future videos. And of course, follow me on social media. If you do recreate this look, you know the drill, girl. Go ahead and please tag your friend, please. You know I love that. And if you'd like to join our Facebook community, I would love to have you. This is a group where we get together and we share memes, we share tips, we share tricks, makeup we love, makeup we hate, we do masking Mondays, and then of course I have my monthly show called Contour and Converse, where I create a makeup look in real time with you, and it's just a great way to chit chat and get to unwind and check in on each other. If this sounds like a community that you would love to join with girls just like you and me, then go ahead and click the link down in the description box and join us so you don't miss out next time. So until next Friday, or next bonus video, whichever comes first, I will see you guys in my next video, and obviously on a Friday. #ReformTomboyFamily. I'll see you soon.